What's up, Accord fam? Hello YouTube. Today I'm gonna go ahead and show you a quick video of installing the ProClip USA A Pillar mount. I'm installing this mount to use for my KTuner, and I'm gonna show you guys what the results of it look like right after this. Alright, so to install it, you gotta peel back the adhesive here included on the mount itself. And then what you're gonna do is peel back this rubber trim right here and slide it over the A-pillar. So once you slide it in, you can kind of adjust it up or down depending on how high you want it. So what I'm gonna do is take my KTuner here. I think I'm good with this location. I don't want it too high up and blocking my view. Might slide it down just a little bit. And yeah, from there it's installed. Make sure you peel back the tape on it. Give it a nice firm press to get it sealed up. Same on this side, and then once you're done, take the window trim and just kind of pop it back in like so. Sorry, clarification on the window trim. You want to make sure this one is pulled up against the trim like this, and then you can pop on the trim. All right, so that's installed, and here is a little view of, from my perspective, how I see the KTuner. So see here, I got my steering wheel here, and KTuner right there is in a nice line of vision without obstructing anything right there. So guys, that's the install on the ProClip A Pillar mount for the 2018 to 2022 Accords. If you enjoyed that video, give it a like and make sure to subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace.